Hey, what's up Shiba holders? So this is the latest update of Shiba coin, my friends, to what's going on in Shiba. Let's get started the Shiba charts. Let's get started the Shiba chart, my friends, to what's going on in the latest last 1 hour, my friend, and especially and this week, my friend. This time you can see here I already opened the last 1 hour chart. This is the latest price, the latest change occur of a Shiba coin. You can see here, my friend, the Shiba coin is completely moving up, in the change occur is in positive plus 1.89%. They're moving up in the last 1 hour. So I think this is very small change occur, but definitely very good change occur. The price is, and you can see 0.0001 US dollar. I think this time the price is going up like a rocket. So definitely Shiba coin holder, this is time a good, my friend, and the latest update is already very good, my friend. This week, the new month, first week, my friend, what's going, this is very important. But please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. Please click out the subscribe button, press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. Yes, this chart is going to be very important, my friend. If you can see here, this time I draw a two line in this time, and they completely falls down. You can see this slowly completely falls down. This time you can see here the price is completely decreased now, 0.0002 US dollar as the last 7 days price. And why the people starting selling now? If the people start, and the price is definitely decreased now, and the change occurs in negative, minus 16.46%. they fell down in the last 7 days, and this is the first week of this month, especially. And this first reason is that, my friends, today fell down to people starting selling now in the start of month, especially at the end of month, my friend. So therefore at the April end days, my friends, people starting selling, and the price is going down, and the change occurs in negative. So definitely they falls down completely. So my friend, I hope this is start now in the second week of this month. I hope they go up like a rocket, and they give you very good profit. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope they make you a millionaire, they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel if you need this type more informative video. Please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.